In the mortuary bakery late at night, skeleton baker works without light. With bony fingers and hollow eyes, whips up treats that twist and surprise. Pumpkin pies with a ghastly grin, cupcakes wrapped in tiny skeletons, cookies shaped like ghosts you dance by the fire's flickering trunks. Cake so soft it melts your soul, muffins dark as a black hole, sweet delight in every fright, mortuary bakery's midnight bite. Eerie donuts float on air, ghoul-filled declares if you dare. Brownies scream at every chew, chilling flavors so taboo, glazed with gloom, frosted in fear. Once you taste, you'll disappear. Mournful muffins, cheerless cake, best you've ever had mistake.